Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 9th, subject general science. Our today's topic is difference between plant tissues and animal tissues. The first difference between them, most of the plants they are stationary, they remain at one place. They remain fixed at one place. Plants are stationary. They do not move one place to another place. They need comparatively less energy. Less energy. Therefore, we can say that most of the tissues of the plants they are supportive in function and they provide mechanical strength. Tissues of the plants they are supportive in function and they provide mechanical strength. Mechanical strength. These tissues they are thick walled lignified dead. वहाँ से शासा क्या thick walled lignified and dead. Animal tissues. Animals they are non-stationary. They do not. They move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, and other thing are their mates. Means animals they need more energy. Need stationary. Non-stationary. They need more energy. Animal tissues they are made up of living tissues. Animal tissues are made up of living tissues, living cells. Examples of animal tissues are nervous tissues, muscular tissues, connective tissues. Connective tissue. Second difference یَتھ منٛز یی example sclerenchyma, xylem, tracheids and vessels cork. Growth of plants is indefinite. Growth in plants is indefinite. That means in plants growth takes place continuously. But growth of animals, you see, growth of animals, it is definite. That means plants they grow throughout their life with the help of certain tissues located in certain regions in the body. For example, they possess meristematic tissues in the root apex and shoot apex, which divide continuously throughout their life and add new cells to the body. But in case of animals, it is not confined to certain regions in the body. Plants hasa should grow gasa throughout their life with the help of certain regions in the body. body it is not confined. The growth of plants is definite. It is not confined. Not confined to certain regions in the body. Structural organization. Structural organization. Structural organization of plants is not complex as compared to that of animal. As compared to that of animal. Structural organization animals of organs and organ system of animal is much more complicated. Is more complicated. Complicated as that of plants.